So you might see the end of summer as the beginning of autumn, which is totally true. This is the moment where all the trees turn into red, orange, yellow and all those beautiful colors. But the end of summer is also the moment when tassels fall from all the oaks. You might hit that moment, cause tassels really falls everywhere, literally everywhere, even at places you would never think of, like for example your glass of water. But I personally love that period. And why? Because every time I see a tassel, I feel the need to crush it. Crushing tassels is so satisfying. Seriously, I could do it for hours. You might find that really strange, and I honestly think it is, but I don't care. It's in my DNA, I can't do anything about it. You can judge me if you want, but it won't change anything. So yes, next time you see a tassel, crush it.